What's up guys, I'm Bhavya. So in this video I'm going to show you guys that how I edit my Instagram photos, and and this process uses a computer and your mobile phone. So without being said, let's roll the intro and let's jump right into the video. Guys, right now I'm in my computer, so what I do is just open Photoshop, and here's a picture that I'm going to edit. And what I do is just click on this color lookup option, then just use two LUTs. These are my favorite. The first one is the teal and orange one, and if it doesn't look good in this photo, as you guys can see, it is not looking good, then I just change the LUT to this orange teal LUT. I don't know what I just named it, but it just gives this orangey tinted to the photo, and as you guys can see, it is looking pretty cool. And let me just decrease the opacity a little bit. Now it's good. And if it doesn't look too much good, then you can even use a teal and orange LUT with it. So just creativity is the best thing, and you could be more creative to just so teal and orange, I think it's not looking good, so I'm just going to delete this. And here is my final picture, and as you guys can see, the if people will see the photo, then they are going to like, man, this person has done a great job in editing. But what I did is just use a LUT. So now I'm just going to click on files and click on save as, and just select it as PNG format, or no, I'm going to select as JPG. And sorry for this pop-up. I've just selected it and just click on save. Wait, so now just click on save, and the picture is saved to your computer. And now I'm just going to take the picture to my mobile phone. So guys, just take your device, and in your device just open PicsArt as I'm doing now. Just wait until it opens. Now just click on this plus icon and click on edit and select the picture that you want to edit. So I'm going to use this picture. And why I'm using this? Because I've just accidentally deleted the picture that I have just edited recently, before the video. So now just click on crop, then just select the crop tool, and just click on 16:9 ratio 1 crop, and select the part which you want to just use the picture. Now scroll here and click on square fit, and just select this white borders. Because why I'm using this? Because I want to just get these minimal bars between my Instagram pictures. Now just click on this right button, and boom, your photos are ready. Now you can just post it on Instagram and get more likes. So that's it for my tutorial. So I hope you guys learned something from my tutorial, and if you use my trick, then just tag me in your Instagram post. And I hope you guys like this video. If it is, then leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one. So till that, peace out and have a nice day, and bye guys. And do follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links in the description. Bye guys.